which is sobrang sarap. Grabe yung combination na yun, like the bomb. Lasang-lasang yung pagka-authentic ng tea and grabe yung perfect combination nila ng rock salt cheese. So wala ko ibang masabi kundi masarap. Like 5 out of 5. Yan, sobrang sarap, grabe. You should all try. Sulit na sulit yung ibabayad mo and grabe yung pag-accommodate nila sa customer and pag-asikaso nila. All in all, it was a great experience. Nabusog kami ng papa ko. As you can see, taob lahat ng plato, ubus lahat yan. Sulit yung price na ibabayad mo, as in. And as you can see, yung chocolate xiaolongbao, hindi tinipid yung chocolate. Talagang grabe, nag-explode siya. You can eat it as is. Sobrang sarap na niya, pero ibang-iba talaga yung lasa niya. Sobrang pasabog kapag dinip mo siya sa rock salt and cheese. So, perfect. 5 out of 5. You should all try. Ang sarap talaga. So, yun lang. Peace out, Gergo. I'm out of here. Bye. God bless us all.